Hi, a lot of persons keep asking, what do I have to change first? Is it my camera body or the lens? Now, this video is supposed to help you understand which one to go for first. A good camera body can last a long period of time, and as long as the glass is not tampered with, it's going to be working fine. But your lens, as time goes on, your lens becomes poor in the quality. The lens dies easily. So instead of changing your camera body, if you have a camera body of $300, $500, no matter how cheap it is, if you have a good glass on that camera, it's going to produce you good quality images. So I would advise you to go for a cheaper camera body and an expensive lens. So if you have a camera of maybe $500, then you have a lens of $2,000, the result will be way better than someone that did a change in his body and left the lens. So if this video was helpful, make sure you like and follow for more.